Okay, so let's try this again in English. So today you're going to try looking at double negatives and how we repair double negatives. I sound like an idiot. So what we're going to do today is we're simply going to look at how we repair a double negative when it's an error, but also when a double negative actually could be correct. So usually a double negative is actually incorrect. Just like in math class, two negatives cancel each other out and make a positive. So you've kind of negated what you wanted to say. So if I have something that says like, I don't have no gas money, well, you shouldn't use the word not and no at the same time. So there are always two solutions. One is to get rid of one of your negatives and make it into a positive. So I don't have any gas money. That's a great solution. Or to change, or to get rid of just one of your negatives completely. And just simply say, I have no gas money. So once again, you can change a negative into a positive or just simply get rid of it. So these are all words which are negative. The ones I want to really highlight are these bottom three. Be careful. We call them half negatives, and these are just a couple of them. Hardly, barely, scarcely. There's a couple others like rarely, seldom, but these are also negatives. So you can be careful. The SAT likes using these more than the other ones just because they're words that not everyone might be aware of, but you will. Now, the other thing I want you to pay attention to today is the fact that, like, sometimes a double negative is on purpose and it's actually intentional and correct. So this happens when we use a negative prefix, typically with an adjective. So what happens is this word not can actually work with this adjective, which has a negative prefix. So if I say the idea is not unappealing, well, here's this word not, and it has unappealing, which has a negative prefix in front of it. So when someone says it's not unappealing, that means it is appealing, or it's actually kind of cool. If someone says it is not an inconsequential event, it means it is a consequential event, meaning it is an important event. Sometimes we use the double negative like this in a stylistic way because we want to stress what it's not. So as you work on your bottom part of this worksheet, a lot of these will have errors, but a few of them are intentional and shouldn't be corrected. See what you can do.